Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to change your Honda Odyssey oil. First, gather your essential tools, including a 17mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, and a drain pan. Always ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the engine is cool before starting. Safety is paramount, so remember to wear safety glasses and gloves throughout the entire process to protect yourself from hot oil and potential splashes. Now, let's drain the old oil. Locate the oil drain plug, which is usually a 17mm bolt found on the bottom of the oil pan. Place your drain pan directly underneath to catch all the used oil. Carefully loosen and remove the plug, allowing the old oil to flow out completely. This step ensures you remove as much of the old, dirty oil as possible before adding fresh lubricant. Next, we'll replace the oil filter. Use an oil filter wrench to carefully loosen and remove the old filter. Be prepared for a small amount of oil to drip out. Before installing the new filter, apply a thin layer of fresh engine oil to its rubber gasket. This ensures a proper seal. Hand tighten the new filter until it's snug, then give it an additional 3/4 of a turn. Finally, it's time to add the new oil. Always consult your owner's manual for the specific oil type and capacity recommended for your Honda Odyssey. Typically, you'll add around 5 quarts of the appropriate engine oil. After filling, replace the oil cap, start the engine for about 30 seconds, then turn it off. Check the dipstick to ensure the oil level is correct and inspect for any leaks.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.